Okay.
Okay, so again, because I need to understand from you, you figure out things in voice or figure out in writing, and based on that, we are able to make you progress forward. Okay, so some people are able to listen and figure out things. Some people need to write things to be able to figure it out. So let us figure out. So figure out the number of digits inside what? What is that? Is it this one, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if we know that, if we know the first problem, if we solve it, we are able to go to solve the second problem,
Correct.
right? Okay.
Yes.
So now how to figure out the number of digits inside enrollment number?
Mm-hmm.
How?
Well,
Is there
that's
is a
all
function? Is there is a function that we can use?
to figure out how many numbers in enrollment number.
Yes. How many digits?
Oh, how many digits? I'm not sure.
Okay, fine, fine. So if I say if I rename that, I call it digit count. Assume that I already figured out how many digits inside the
Mm-hmm.
the enrollment. So
Okay.
that, okay, assume that is the digit count is 2. Okay, because I
Mm-hmm.
passing 11, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that is from 11 to 20, or even no, it's not even to from 11 to 99, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 11 to 99.
Okay, so the digit count will be 2 from 11 to 99.
Or
So if
10,
I
10 to 99, right?
again,
Wouldn't it be 10 to
yes,
99?
yes, yes,
Okay.
exactly, yes, yes.
All
So
right.
okay, so if I know the digit count, how to know the number of zeros?
Well,
We
if
know,
it's,
yeah,
yeah. So
yeah.
if it's 2, then it's 3 zeros.
Okay, so it means that can we say like that that we are able to? Does this make sense to you?
Yes.
So we are able to know the zero count based on that, right?
Yes.
Okay, so are we able to create zeros based on the zeros count?
Yeah, you would be able to do that.
Okay, can we check
Let's see.
now? See, I needed 3 zeros, and
Mm-hmm.
the for loop generated for me 3 zeros, and I
Mm-hmm.
was able to concatenate it here like that, right?
That makes sense.
Okay, good. Let us put that enrollment number to 110. Will this work for me?
No,
Why?
because we need it to be 2 zeros.
Okay, so we need, if we increase that instead of, because the number now is 110, so it has 3
Yes.
digits. So we increase that to 3. Can we run? Do you see? Now somehow I managed to do that automatically. It dynamically create everything for me, right? But
Yeah.
the only problem is that I have to key in here this number.
Yes.
The trick is how to find this number automatically.
Yes. That's the tricky part.
Okay, so everything else is understood.
Yes.
Okay, then this is the way that you get.
But then
Hmm.
would we have to set enrollment number to
Ah,
empty
Tell me. Can
empty
you
list?
can you first read what is the error? I want you to read and tell
Yeah.
me what is the error and how to correct it.
The error is on line 13. Type int has no length. Type line 13. Well, we can't find the length of it because it's not an integer.
And no, he is telling you integer does not use the length function. You can only use the length function on a string. So what can we do to do that? So
Convert it to a string.
okay, that's the good. Yeah, okay. So string.
Yeah.
So tell me now.
Uh-huh.
So I converted it to a string.
Yes. And then we found the length of it.
Yes, we find the length of it, we put it in a digit count, and
Uh-huh.
then we calculate everything. So
Yes.
what if I put here like that? Will it work? Yes, definitely it will work because
No.
we doing it
Now we
automatically.
found, yes.
So
That
this
makes
is the formula. This is the formula. Don't
yes.
try to don't eat the elephant in one mouse, in one shot.
Yeah.
Cut the
That's
elephant.
what you're
Yes,
right. I need to do it in parts. That's my biggest issue.
yes. We need to figure out together how we can cut the small elephant into small pieces for you to eat them.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes. So this is how we can figure out the like if we enter in any number, we'll figure out how many zeros need to be in there too.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. I see.
Okay. So again, like I'm telling you, we need to do more practice on normal problems because I don't want you to enter more deeply in classes and then you find yourself. I mean, we need to improve your debugging skills and your problem solving skills.
Yes.
If we do that, I see you have excellent other skills in using programming. I mean, you already know the language syntax,
Yes.
but the point here is that how we employ your knowledge and your intelligence in
Yeah.
making them solve problems. This is the only
Exactly.
problem that you're having.
Yeah,
But
you're right.
you are intelligent enough to figure out things. You are able to remember things. You don't forget, and that is excellent support. Your brain is already ready enough. It's just only to sharpen your problem solving skills.
Yes, you're right.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let me let us have a look first. I want to share with you actually every time we need to have to go
Uh,
through a small problem together and then try to work on that. If we don't do that every time, we will not end up in a good
Yeah,
situation
that's a
after
good
that.
idea.
So I will share with you just a simple problem for the moment because maybe we already spent some long time already. So here here is a problem that so do you mind first before we continue that so I can still remember do you mind that I increase amount of exercises from 2, I double them to 3 or 4? I will do that gradually. I will not increase them one shot.
Like, what do you mean?
I mean the homework exercise that I give to you, I want
Uh-huh.
to increase them a little bit by little bit.
Yeah, sure.
That's fine to you, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if it reach the level that you are not able to do it anymore, then you have to tell me. I have to stop.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So we want to define this double letter function
Mm-hmm.
that takes a single integer, single parameter. The
Okay.
parameter is a string.
Okay.
Your function must return true if there is two identical letters in a row in a string and false
Okay.
otherwise. So
Okay.
he give us an example. A string can be hello like that.
Mm-hmm.
So he is telling us if we are able to figure out two consecutive characters of the
Yes.
same, yeah, same, then
Uh-huh.
we return true.
Okay.
If here there is two n's and two
Mhm.
o's, but they are not consecutive, they are not after each other. So
Yes.
that will return false. So that is an example of strings that we can develop we can think about. So
Okay.
let us go get that here and let us think together how we can we can do that. So,
Okay. Sounds good.
okay, define double letters. Sorry, here.
Okay.
That is our problem definition.
Okay.
So we are taking here a string.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right.
Um,
So
yeah,
I was gonna say if I could just like try to figure it out.
yeah, sure.
Okay. So let's see. The goal of this challenge is to enter the string. Okay. Second contains two of the same.
So the first step,
Mm-hmm.
make sure that all our problems is clear. I'm able to call the function.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Um, and
So we could set something else to double letter.
I want you to divide the problem into smaller problems.
Exactly. So now we print status.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now run, make sure that everything is okay. Now we have a missing requirement. Yeah, I didn't
Because we
pass.
didn't define string yet.
Okay, so I can just pass it here like that. Let us do this way. Run.
Mm-hmm.
So it means that yeah, we didn't return anything. We just printed hello here.
Yep.
So okay, everything is ready for us to try.
Okay.
Okay, what is our first issue here? Just give me our smallest issue.
The smallest issue is checking to see if the letters are together
Okay.
or in a row
No,
together.
this is not the smallest. This is the main and a big target. I want you to cut this into smaller.
Okay.
I want to know what. I want to know what first.
First, we have to receive uh input.
Yes. Okay. That is input. We can check if it is empty or not empty yet. That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
And then after we receive that, so to know to be able to, the first thing that we need to think first how we can loop through a string. Can you tell me how to loop through a string? How to iterate through a string?
For loop.
Okay, tell me how to do the for loop.
So this is my line of thinking. We could set string equals to an empty
Wait,
list.
wait, 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 wait. Again,
Okay.
don't rush. Don't rush,
Okay.
please.
Okay.
Let us create the loop first.
Okay.
Tell me how to create the loop
So for that in string.
in a string. Okay, fine. Okay.
Into,
Can we do print first? Can we
yeah.
print? Okay. To make sure that everything is working.
Mm-hmm.
Every step we are doing is ch. Okay. So it's working, right?
Mm-hmm.
We are able to go through every character inside the string.
Yes. Uh-huh.
We need to figure out a way. So okay, let me share with you here. This is a string, right? It start
Mm-hmm.
with H, right,
Mm-hmm.
and end with O,
Yes.
right? And then we have here E. We have double L's
Mm-hmm.
like that. Here we
Yes.
start with 0, right?
Okay.
And
So
little by little, please.
yes.
I understand that your mind always try to rush you, but
Yeah.
I want you to go through the correct way. So
Okay.
okay, now how many elements inside here?
Four.
Okay, 4 in total. So from 0 to 3, right?
Yes. Zero and then one, two, three in the middle.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, right?
Yes.
So we can see from here that this place and this place have two identical letters, right?
Yes.
So we need to reach here and make a way that we can compare these two characters together
Yeah. By indexing.
by indexing. Exactly. How to do indexing?
Um,
Can
I
the current for loop do indexing for us, or we need to change it a bit?
need to change it. Yeah.
Okay, how to change?
I was thinking if ch equals ch.
Wait first. Don't rush. I see you are trying to rush to do this if statement here, but
Yes.
our current for loop itself is not ready yet for that. So
Okay.
okay. First, we want a way that can tell us the index of what we are part. If we don't know the index, we are not able to make any if statement to compare these two.
Yes.
This is
Correct.
index 2 and index 3. We need to find the index first. So
Yes.
how to make a full loop that can tell us the index of the string that we are passing? There is a simple way and there is a hard way. Okay.
Okay.
So tell me,
Let me
what kind of for loops? See, let me. Okay, if I
Now
put,
we can put.
can I put like that? No, that cannot be. That have to be I index. Can I put like that?
Yeah, let's try it.
That will fail. Why it will fail? Tell me.
ch, there's nothing with ch defined, so we can't print ch.
Okay, now I put string. Let's try to run. Another error. Okay. Now, what is that?
Index out of range.
Why is it out of range? Why is it out of range? My print statement is my friend, so I will try to use my friend as much as I can. So even if I don't have a clue how to make solution for a problem, I will keep trying to adjust the print statement until it gives me more information to make it visible to my eye.
Yes.
Okay, so here, can you see now?
Yes.
At h, my index is 0, and that is what we have drawn here, right?
Yes.
So we need a way to compare these two, right? Okay. So, but again, we have a problem. We still have to fix the problem here.
Index is out of range.
Why?
Is it
Why?
because?
What is the line here?
Line 12 print.
So what is here? And what is here?
And what is where?
So here, do you see this?
4, yeah.
And what is this?
10. We need to do it to 5 or 4.
Okay, fine. Error disappear, right? Means that, okay, that's fine. Good. So
and now we could put it to 5 too, right?
can we?
We could do 0, 5.
Yes, correct. You are correct. Yes. Okay, good. So now we are able to loop through the whole array. Okay,
Yes.
and the requirement for us is to find a way to check these two.
Yes.
Okay, can we hard code them?
We
Can we?
could. So, I mean, we could do
If what?
if uh
Hmm.
the I the index of we could just do if any two indexes equals each other.
So what is that? So this is responsible to give me what is here, and this is responsible to give me that here,
Mm-hmm.
right? When we need to compare, we need to compare the letter at index 2 and the letter at index 3. How to get that?
Oh, you could just do if I equals I.
Uh, you mean that?
So
Like that?
yeah, because
Hmm. First, are you aware that so okay? Are you aware that the for loop, this for loop, every time it runs, it will produce an output like that. So
yes.
when this is produced, the I was equal to, and when this line was produced, the I was equal 3. So when you try to compare I to I, you're trying to compare 2 to 2 and 3 to 3. So that will be always true. But what you're supposed to do is you are trying to uh, to compare when the index was 2 and when the index was 3, because both of them happen at different times, not at the
Yeah.
exactly same time. So I would say, as a start, let us
Uh-huh.
have a look here. String 2 equal string 3. Can we do like that? What do you think?
Yeah. Then you do return true.
If it doesn't, return false. Okay, let me see what is the result here. Um, so it managed to find something and it returned true, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it's something very strange. It doesn't print anymore what it used to print. It only print one character.
Yeah, because we narrowed it down to just 2 and 3.
Okay. So at the first time when I equals 0, when I equals 0 at the start, he will print this statement once,
Uh-huh.
and then he will go through the if statement, and he will find that yes, both of them is L. He will compare these two. String at index 2, which is L,
Mm-hmm.
string at index 3, which is L. He will compare them. Yes, they are equal. So return true, exits the whole for loop, and go out. But this doesn't make sense. We should never compare. First, we will never know that
Yeah,
what string
exactly.
is passed to us.
Yeah,
Second,
so we can't put 2 and 3 in there.
we cannot fix them. We have to
Yeah.
make them dynamic. We have to figure a
S-
way
to
to make it automatic.
Put um I for 2 and then for 3
Okay, I want to first ask you first, what is the relation between this and this?
is
This is
1
I, and
is
this is
I
I plus
plus
1,
1.
right?
Uh-huh.
This is the formula. This is now you started to figure out the formula.
If I
Equal.
equals to I plus 1 return.
Yes,
Wait, could you
but
put it?
wait. We
Okay.
are not. We should not compare. We should not compare the index itself, because 2 will never be equal 3, but the content of the element at the index 2, the elements at the index I, should be equal to the element at index I plus
plus
1.
1. And then it's
So
going to keep going through it. I see.
exactly. So here I would say I would prefer to change it with I,
Mm-hmm.
and then here I would
I plus 1.
prefer to change it with I plus 1,
Yes.
and we try to run. Oh, okay. So you see here,
Yes.
it prints until it reach 2. And when it is at 2, the
Mm-hmm.
I equal 2, right? So it
Yes.
will do this comparison, and it will check the next item,
Mm-hmm.
the element here. If it is equal,
Mm-hmm.
then it will turn true. So it
Yes.
worked.
It return true. Yes.
Okay, but we still have a problem.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Why we still have a
Because
problem?
that's just for hello.
Yes, exactly. So what if I put here, I put
But
the
then
same 2Ls, but it will not work.
because of the range.
Okay, how to make the range a variable so that we are able to change it based on this,
The
the input
length.
string
Length.
length. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Yes, that's how it goes.
Yeah. So now I know what you mean when you say I have to like think of it one step at a time, not just try to find the answer.
Yes, little
Okay.
by little. Okay, so now he is able also to return true to us, right?
That's
Okay, what if we pass it no? Let us see. Oh, there is a problem.
mm,
Why? Why is there is a problem? Index out of range. Why is it?
mm. Is it because it's not counting for wait, but this is
Hmm.
you have to do it else return false, right?
Um, well, we need to think first. Why no doesn't work? Because it seems that our code works fine if really there is two consecutive characters there.
Yes.
Only when there is nothing, then a problem happens.
Yes.
So again, let us have a look at the print. Is our friend. This problem, most probably, it happened at either index 3 or at index 4.
Yes.
So it means, okay, so no, right? So it means that, let me see here, uh, try to, here, 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 here.
Mm-hmm.
And so this is no,
Yeah.
and we don't have anything
Yeah, we
here.
don't need that. Yeah.
So our problem happens here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when we are here, we are at
Yes.
index 3, right?
Yes.
So there is no more index, right?
Mm-hmm.
So he comes here, and then he check I equal I the element at I plus 1, but there is no I plus 1 actually.
Is it because we're counting only for it to go forwards?
So we have to figure out how this can happen. So it means that, does this mean that we should, okay, see what is happening here is you should never exceed or try to access beyond the array. If okay, what is the length of no? What is the length?
3
No, dear.
or
It is, so
4.
okay, it is 4, and
Length is 4. Yes. Yes. Yeah, you're right.
it's from 0 to 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it is 4. So it is
Yes.
four elements.
Mm-hmm.
when I reach, okay, this will only work with some small little change to our code.
Mm-hmm.
When we are at the last element, we are not allowed to ask him to go to I+1 because there is no I+1. When we are at
Yes.
3, when you are at 3, you add 1, you want to access 4, and there is no
There's
4.
nothing there. Yeah.
So it means that when we reach one element or one character before the end of the array, we should stop our loop.
Oh, I see.
So when we are at n, we at here. Let me sorry, here. Oops. Let me. Oops. Yeah, a little bit. Okay. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Here there is nothing. Okay, we cannot access here. Not allowed. So it means that our if statement can only work when it reaches one character before the end of the array or the string. So we need here to stop. When
Mm-hmm.
we are here, when we have index at 2,
Yes.
what will be the characters? When string at 2 is n, right?
Yes.
So you will compare n, and then here will get you 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1
Yeah.
equals 3, right? So
Yes.
it will get you the character here. So it
Uh-huh.
will compare if n equal O.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And do you want to loop one more time? This is the end already.
No, you don't.
You don't want to loop anymore. You don't
Mm-hmm.
want to go one more time and do one more looping. So it means that we have to change something here. We cannot loop from 0 to 3. We have to loop from 0 to 2. How to do that? So 3, actually, okay, the length of NO is and NO is 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what you put
Oh,
here now
oh,
is
oh.
4. You
You
need to
don't want
ha
you don't wanna leave the parameters that we have set, so you have to make sure to do minus so it doesn't go
range.
out
Yes.
of the structure, right?
Yes, exactly. Yes, correct. So how to do that? So if length equal 4, we the loop will run from 0 to 3.
Mm-hmm.
But we wanted to run from 0 to 2. So how can we change that number so it can only run from 0 to 2? So it's not always 0 to 2. It is one character before the end of the array. If the array
Mm-hmm.
end at 3, we need to subtract 1 from that.
Oh, the length of the string minus one.
Perfect. That's extra good. Yeah, good. Okay, let's run. Oh, so we managed to get rid of the
But
error.
yeah, we need false for this situation anyways.
Yes, this is false. So,
Yes.
but wait, what I have done here, when I put return false here, what happens actually is it will finish the for loop, and since it doesn't find anything, so it will never return true. It will never come here.
Mm-hmm.
And once it's finished the for loop, it will automatically return false.
Yes.
So anytime we find something while we are looping, we will immediately exit and return true.
Mm-hmm.
But if we didn't
Yes.
find any, we already finished the whole array and we didn't find anything, so it automatically return false.
Exactly. Okay,
Okay.
so this is I got a next question then. Um, so I guess we figured out my problem is that I do kind like know the theory of it, but I just need to do more examples. So then you're right, like
Yes. But
yeah.
at least you know where is the problem. If you cannot put your hand on the problem, you will never be able to solve it. Define the
Also,
problem first. Yes.
exact like I need to do because I try to find the answer from the start. I need to do by steps as well.
Yes. You need to do by little step. Yes.
Gotcha. Okay. So this is, I guess, what I was gonna say. If we could set up a meeting before, or maybe this time next week, and then if you could assign me some examples, and then I'll also work on the homework code.
Yes, I will do that. Definitely, I will
Okay,
do this.
perfect.
Yes. Okay.
Yep.
So, okay, let me first understand. Are we fast enough or are we slow?
What do you mean?
I mean, should I slow down or should I move more faster? I need to adjust myself based on your feedback. If you
I
are
think
getting
what
what
we
I'm saying, then it should be fine.
I think what we have, so right, like this structure right now is perfect where you develop a little bit, like if we go over examples, a couple examples, and then if we go over some of the code, like the structure right now is perfect, right?
Okay, then it's fine. If
Yes.
you are comfortable with that,
As
fine.
far as like examples go, we could do like something like this. We could do like two during a session, like something like this.
Okay, sure. Yeah, yeah.
We could do
We,
one
we
in the
can do.
beginning, one in the end, and then in the middle we could like you can go over the lesson and whatever questions I have for the homework.
Sure. Yeah,
Okay.
that should be fine. Yes. Yes, we
Okay.
can do it this way.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, good. Okay, thanks a lot for your time. Take care.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay,
Bye.
take care. Bye bye.